In this video, you'll learn how to become a Wecasa professional. By following the steps outlined, you will initiate your application and discover what Wecasa offers to its professionals. To begin, open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Wecasa Professionals application page. Type in the URL wa2.wecasa.co.uk/pro and press the Enter key. This will take you directly to the application portal where you can start the process. Once the page loads, you will see an overview of what Wecasa offers its professionals. Take a moment to review the key benefits, which include flexible working hours, the ability to choose your travel zones, and no exclusivity, allowing you to remain fully independent. It is important to understand these benefits as they will affect your work-life balance. Next, look for the Start Your Application button prominently displayed on the page. Click on this button to proceed to the registration form. This form will require you to enter personal information and details regarding your qualifications and experience. As you fill out the application form, make sure you have your relevant certifications or proof of experience readily available. Wecasa requires these documents to verify your skills in cleaning, hairdressing, massage therapy, or beauty services. Additionally, keep your unique taxpayer reference number from HMRC on hand, as it is a requirement for self-employment in the UK. After completing the form, review your information carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied with the details provided, submit your application. You may receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your application has been received. This step is crucial as it confirms that you are now in the selection process. It is also recommended that you obtain public liability insurance, even though it is not a mandatory requirement for application. This insurance helps protect you in case of any incidents while you work. If you are on a student visa, be aware that it does not allow self-employment, but a graduate visa permits self-employment for up to 2 years after graduation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.